everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change a headlight on a 2017 Nissan Altima. So the front headlight here on this car is burned out, and this is a new one. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the tire of whichever side you're changing, and there's going to be like this little black lip right here. It should be pretty easy to get down, but I cannot access it with the tire here. So we're gonna go over to the driver's seat and go ahead and move the tires so we can get there more. Okay, so here are my keys. Actually, they're not my keys, it's my dad's car. We're going to turn the wheels now. So his car does not need to have the keys put into it. There we go, hold on. Okay, so we need to turn the tires all the way this way. And then turn off the engine. All right, let's check and see if I got it right. This one's that way, so it should be right. Yeah, it's right. Okay, so I have the light bulb here. I'm gonna set it up here so I don't mess it up with the rocks. So as I said before, there's a lip here. You're going to pull it open, and you're gonna need something to hold it. If you have tools, that's great, but I have these pairs of soccer shoes that I'm gonna stick one up here and one down here so we can have access straight to the light bulb. Okay guys, and just a quick safety precaution, I want you guys to make sure you always put something on the ground before you get down on it, because if you put too much pressure on your knees for too long, it can actually damage them and it could be harder to walk when you're older. So always make sure to put something on the ground when you're working on something outside, especially if you have a gravel dirt way like this. Okay, so then over here, oh shoot, like I said before, you're going to want to keep something here, pretty high up in there, and oh, that's fine. Okay, so guys, I got it all to the point where I hope it's not gonna fall out, and I'm feeling around for the bulb right now, and it might take just a few seconds. I found it. It's gonna be attached to this little part. Okay, I got it. I need my other hand to... Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like when you pull it out. It looks very similar to the new one, except old one might be broken. Okay, so when you guys wanna put it in, you're going to find a little oval shape here, and it'll just click in basically like a power cord, and it even looks like one too. So you're gonna use both hands for this part, so you can have one holding it and one trying to find the cord. And there we go. When you pulled it out, there was a little circle that you had to twist it out of. So I can feel the hole where it needs to go in right now. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist it around a bit until you can get it in there, and then you're going to twist it so it'll go in, and it's in. Okay, so now we're going to fix everything to the point where it's gonna be safer and there's not gonna be anything in it. We're gonna push this back up in there, and it really should just stay right there. And make sure to clean up everything after you are done, including this. Set that aside. So now we're going to test the headlight now. Really quickly. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to turn it on, and now we're going to check and see if we installed it correctly. It should be lit up if it was installed correctly, and there you have it. Okay, so as you can see, everything here is working perfectly fine. When you turn it on, it should be lit up, and later on, when I receive the parts for this mess, I'm going to be replacing this rearview mirror on the passenger side, and hopefully I can get that to you guys pretty soon. Like and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.